It's now my honor to invite Honorable Justice Pamadigantam Sri Narsimha, Judge of the Supreme Court of India, a scholar and statesman of constitutional law, to share his valuable insights.
Nothing in the recent past could have given me more pleasure than today's event. The reason is threefold. The first and foremost is this event is in my city, Hyderabad. Second, it is in my university, the Osmania University. Third, and very importantly, it is by my chief, the speech today, Honorable Chief Justice of India, coming to my city, to my university, and speaking on Constitution of India and the contribution of Ambedkar in this historic Tagore Hall. Thank you very much, Chief Justice. Thank you very much. Justice Sujay Paul, Chief Justice of Telangana High Court and his companion judges, Learned Advocate General Sudarshan Reddy, Vice Chancellor Professor Kumar, esteemed gathering, students and professors. Because of time constraint, I will just indicate three important thoughts that pass in my mind on today's event. Dr. Ambedkar shares an enduring and historical relationship with the city of Hyderabad. He actively supported social justice movement in the country. In a powerful incident narrated in his autobiography, The Waiting for a Visa, he stood in solidarity with Dalits of Hyderabad who were denied access to water from the public tanker by dominant caste groups. Dr. Ambedkar's support acted as a moral strength to the movement and amplifying the demand for equal rights. Dr. Ambedkar's anti-caste movement also greatly influenced B.S. Venkatrao, former Adi Dravida Society in Hyderabad. The second incident also very interesting. That is, late Nizam of Hyderabad held deep admiration for Dr. Ambedkar. He offered him the prestigious position of Chief Justice of Hyderabad State. He remarked, his remarkable gesture reflected Ambedkar's legal brilliance and his commitment to justice and equality. But Dr. Ambedkar did not accept the offer as he wanted to actively work for social causes. In his speech, he said, "Legal practice and public service are thus the alternating currents in my life, and I do not know on which current my life will be, either AC or DC." Honorable Chief Justice has quoted the last word of Dr. Ambedkar as he presented the Constitution. He said, if you have good men, you don't need this Constitution. And if you have a very good Constitution, if you don't have good men, it's of no avail. The greatest fortune today is that the idea of Ambedkar is actually realized with the appointment of my Chief Justice as the Chief Justice of India. It, I believe, translates his vision of interpretation of a good constitution by a good human being. With this, and because of the time constraint, I know all of you are waiting for the speech of my Chief Justice. I thank the Vice Chancellor and all other organizers my opportunity given to me. Thank you very much.
We thank you, Justice Narsimha, for your profound and scholarly reflections on Dr. Ambedkar's constitutional vision.